Hey guys, Tony Stillwell here, your residential real estate resource. Welcome back to another edition of Tony's Tips. Did you know that 15,000 fires a year are related to dryer lint buildup? That's crazy. Stay tuned, I'm going to teach you how you can clean your dryer vents to protect your home and your family. Dryer lint. We all have it. And it can be a constant battle keeping this thing clean all the time. But is that enough to protect your home? With me today is Randy Retort with Stanley Steamer.
How's it going,
hey, Randy.
Tony?
Good, buddy. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you for coming by today.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me a little bit about what you do.
So we clean dryers under negative pressure, typically starting with a pre-inspection of the actual dryer and dryer duct leading outside to make sure cleaning is going to be the most efficient decision at the time for the customer. We always start with a post-clean inspection, inspecting the dryer, and then we move on to inspecting the ductwork that leads from the dryer to the outside of the home.
Okay.
Once we get that done and we confirm that a cleaning is necessary, we then begin cleaning the dryer under negative pressure. We'll disconnect the electric, pull it away from the wall, remove the exhaust line, and actually clean the dryer. The dryer is the biggest problem with the actual dryer lint fire.
How long should a process like this take?
Average about an hour, hour and a half, just depending on the actual inspection and how long the line is leaving from the dryer to the outside.
Okay. And cost?
On average, about $250.
Oh, okay, great. $250. That's not bad. And you said today if somebody mentions Tony's Tips, they get 10% off?
Yes, sir. We'll have
Awesome.
10% off for anyone that states Tony's Tips in the phone call.
Okay. So here we are, Randy, outside with your truck. This is pretty impressive. It
Yes,
looks
sir.
really nice. Tell me a little bit about what takes place here.
All right, so the guys are going to begin setting the truck up. Out the back side of the truck is going to come our vacuum hose, which will create all the negative pressure on the line. And then right here will come out our air line, which we'll use to force air through the dryer and also through the line to get all the contaminants out.
Awesome.
So at this point, we're going to begin reversing all the remaining lint out of the dryer duct. Out here, we cleaned everything from the inside that we needed to access. So now we're going to pull the remainders out.
So today we talked about the importance of cleaning your dryer duct system. You guys know what to expect now, and now you know who to call. Randy over at Stanley Steamer. So Randy, if they need to get in touch with you, how can they call you?
They can just call our 1-800-STEAMER number, put in their zip code, and we'll get them to the call center appropriate for that territory, and we'll get an appointment scheduled to come out.
Awesome. Okay. Now you guys also do heating and cooling. You
Yes,
can clean the duct systems, and it makes the unit work more efficiently, right?
Absolutely. We do free in-home inspections on that as well, so feel free to give us a call and we'll come out and take a look.
All right, great. Thank you guys again for tuning in to another episode of Tony's Tips. You can visit my webpage at www.tonystillwell.com or visit me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.